Hello, and welcome to the Sourcing Certifications Question of the Week. My name is David Galley, and this week I'll be answering a question about our new book, Sourcing Hacks. Specifically, this question relates to hack number 23, find direct phone numbers for companies' employees. In short, this hack is about using publicly available office switchboard numbers, such as those sourced from Google Maps, to surface direct dial numbers for employees at a given location. By the way, for more info on the sourcing productivity hacks outlined in our book, along with detailed implementation instructions, head on over to sourcingcertification.com/sourcinghacksbook. Our reader asks, "Hi David, I was reviewing the Sourcing Hacks book information and had a question about the direct dial info." They go on to call out an example from the book where we found a PwC office in New York with the office line 646-471-3000 and turned that into the search string 646-471-us.pwc.com with both terms in quotes. However, when they tried to do the same with the number 305-592-7275, appending the company's email domain to create the search 305-592-atkinsglobal.com, again with both terms in quotes, they go on to say, "The results don't show any direct lines, unfortunately. Thanks for any insight you can provide." Well, first of all, no, thank you for this great question. When we're learning new skills, it can be challenging to take a given example and tweak it to work for our specific needs. Let's take a look at the problem our reader described. Running the same search on Google, it's easy to see what they mean. The top results all refer to the office line that we already know. Scanning through the results, we can see some lists that look interesting, but here's a quick way to narrow things down. By adding -7275, we should remove all of the results that reference the main office line. And that works fairly well. Let's see if any of the results include direct dials. So the first result is a PDF, and when we open that up, we can zoom in a little bit so it's easy to see, and then start searching for that company name or email domain. And before I even finish typing it out, I get several results. It looks like we have a Victor Herrera, Atkins North America, which hopefully is the same company, 305-514. Jose Lopez, Atkins, nothing else, hopefully the same company, 954-260. Several emails. Victor Atkins Global, Atkins North America, Atkins Global, same thing. Same company, absolutely. And it looks like that first email we saw is actually tied to a result we were scrolled past, 305-796. So these phone numbers we have for Atkins are 305-796, 305-514, and 954-260. Now, 954 may still be in the same state, but I doubt it's the same location or area. So different area code. Let's ignore that for now and pop back to an earlier one. Let's just take Victor's number. We can copy just the first part of this, and let's take that back to our search. We can leave everything else the same for now, and we get quite a few results. Let's see. It looks like our earliest results are going to be for the Florida Bar Association, and these are lawyers working for Atkins, and these are their direct phone numbers, office and cell, which are the same, which is really neat actually, for a couple of reasons. First of all, it looks like we now know the area code and prefix for their cellular numbers. And it looks like Atkins may not actually assign office lines or direct dial lines for landlines to their employees, just cell numbers. So that means we can give up on looking for those office direct dials and focus our search on the much more interesting mobile lines. If they're assigning mobiles instead of office lines, that's actually better for us. Now we can try texting. We could do some other things with mobile lines that we can't do with landlines. We have a better chance of reaching these people. So we've actually been able to surface something even better than office lines by taking that hack one step further and applying one of the most important core sourcing techniques that we stress in all of our classes as well as our professional certification. Always be cross-referencing. And in this context, what we mean by that is to take the information you already know and use that to surface additional details and tweak your search strings, and to keep following that process until you get to where you need to go. That concludes our question of the week. Thank you very much for watching, and if you'd like to see your question featured on a future episode, drop a line to help@sourcingcertification.com with question of the week in the subject line. Be sure to tell us your name, how to pronounce it, where you work, and any other information you'd like us to share about you, and as much detail as possible in your question so that we can provide an effective answer. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any future episodes, or watching our info session video to learn more about the training and certification options our company provides. Take care, and see you next week.